most restricted purple tier. The state is sending down strike teams to help with mobile testing and investigating. KNX 1070 News Radio.
Alright, look at that. I removed 4 bolts. It's helping. That's what you can do here at Jordan Boat Orders, if you know somebody. Okay, so we got that shield off. Now we have better access to the... This is what we're actually replacing right here. Get that the best we can.
Defense dang near puts an end to everybody's run offense.
Yeah.
They get out there and they don't play. You got something to say?
Yeah.
What?
Walking.
Take your drunk ass inside right the now.
What?
Who are you talking to?
Public?
Take your drunk ass inside right now. What? Nobody gonna hit you.
You ran me over.
Okay. Why don't you back up? Why don't you back up?
Slow down.
Back up, sir!
You drive off, man. Sorry about this.
I'm just trying to walk.
Sorry about this, man.
Y'all have a good evening.
You as
Hey,
well,
give
brother.
him a second, man. He's just trying to walk, dude.
Didn't
Years of violent rhetoric. I haven't even talked about the President of the United States. Say, sort of, oh yeah, sure, I'll guarantee that. But what about Antifa? What about this? What about that? And so I haven't even talked about all of those things. You add it up. This is a man, and you know this, would be an autocrat if he could. Well, would be a dictator if he could. You know that. You've said that to
Piece of shit. Dude, you just... You.
If it's smartphones, cases of all sizes go
Starting route to 69 to South Florida Avenue.
fit inside. Don't accept you not.
In 800 feet,
Okay, Presto.
turn left onto John J.
one car.
God, are you f***ing kidding me right now?
Fuck!